everyone. Have you heard of SDGs before? What do you know about SDGs? My name is Bella Triesnoveline Sianturi. I'm pharmacy student from KKN-BBM period 64, AIRLANGGA University Surabaya, individual group IND 21. Today, I want to tell you what is SDGs mean and my work program for my KKN-BBM period 64 AIRLANGGA University. SDGs, or the Sustainable Development Goals, are a global action plan agreed by world leaders, including Indonesia, to end poverty, reduce inequality, and protect the environment. There is 17 goals and 169 targets that are expected to be achieved by 2030. For the KKN work program, I took 5 out of 17 goals. There is goal number 3, good health and well-being. Number 4, quality education. Number 8, decent work and economic growth. Number 13, climate action. And the last, goals number 15, life on land. In my work program, I focus on 5 goals because the village where the KKN is located, which I have observed, occurs at that point. All my activities are done completely online. There is a work program in the health sector. This field is to achieve goal number 3. The purpose is ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. The programs carry out are hand-washing activities, use of masks, health protocols with the 5M movement, especially the current condition. All of these things we have to get used to. I don't want an increase in the number of infections either in the village or in the country. Furthermore, the work program number 4 aims to meet the achievements of the educational field. The program that is carried out is online tutoring. For elementary school, junior high school, and senior high school. We learn about science and mathematics, and then learning to spell, write, and read. This condition makes it difficult for all to get access, so I made this program for free to give knowledge to them, which they don't get in school. The next work program in the field of environment. This is to meet the achievements of goals number 13 and 15. I have observed a lot of garbage in my village environment, so that I moved to provide education to residents. There is even hazardous and toxic type of B3 waste dumped in the river. There are still many people who pollute the environment by burning garbage. They don't understand the classification of types of waste, so I created a work program to educate to reduce misunderstandings about waste. Lastly, the work program in the field of economics. This is to meet the achievement of goal number 8. So finally, I made a video of making cloth masks and scrunchies and shared them on social media. I did all that in 4 weeks only. After this, I want to show you the goal activities number 13 and 15, which is to make flower vase from decorated glass bottles. Prepare materials and tools. This is all you need. Glass bottle, acrylic paint, color palette, masking tape, paintbrush, this is optional, and hand gloves. Let's go! Hello. Before you're ready, first you should wear gloves. This is for the right hands. And take the one for the left hands. Then take color palette. I use 5 colors. There is white, there is red, yellow, black, and blue. You can prepare the color you want to use before. I wear masking tape, but this is optional, okay? Take the paint with a brush and start painting the entire surface. Here, I use white as the base color. You can continue after trying. We're done. That is all from me. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.